Okay, this is just a summary of Angles and Equations Skills Check 2. And this you should look at after you take the skills check quiz and try to figure out what did you do wrong if you didn't get every answer correct. Okay, here we go. All right, looking at this one, you see we have two angles, and if I put them together, they will form 180 degrees. They're supplementary. So the equation is for supplementary angle is 3x plus, so this angle plus this angle, 114 is going to add up to equal 180 degrees. So if I solve this, I subtract 114 on both sides, and that will leave me with 3x equals, and 180 minus 114 is 66. And I saw a lot of people making this mistake right here, just leaving the answer as 66. You have to remember, we have to divide both sides by 3 so that x is isolated, and then 66 divided by 3 is 22. So the answer to this one is 22. Okay, and look at, if I put a 22 right here, that'd be 3 times 22 is 66 plus 114 right here would equal 180 to check it. Okay, so let's look at this one. I'm looking at this angle, and I'm seeing this angle and this angle, and there's a 90-degree symbol right there, and they form not a half a circle or a semicircle, they're a 90-degree angle, so they're complementary, and that means that this angle and this angle are going to add up to equal 90 degrees. So 7x plus 7 plus 13 adds up to equal 90 degrees. And in this case, I like to combine these first, which would give me 20. So 7x plus 20 equals 90. And then I would subtract 20 on both sides. And that's 7x equals 70. Divide, and this is where I saw some people again making a mistake, forgetting to divide by this 7 to isolate that variable, which would give me 10. So the answer to this one is 10. All right, right here, I'm taking a look at these angles, and I don't see a 90-degree angle. They're not forming a straight line, so they're not 180, but they did give us some extra information right here. They're saying that the measure of angle XYZ equals 70. So this whole angle is going to equal 70. So that means this plus this equals 70. So x plus 33 equals 70. And then I just solve my one-step equation here by subtracting 33 on both sides. X equals, and 70 subtract 33 is 37. So this answer is 37. And right here, what you need to notice is that these two angles are vertical. See how they're connected? They're not even connected. They're connected by that vertice right there. So they're vertical angles. That means they equal each other. So that means that this equals this. So that means 5x minus 5 equals 40. I saw a lot of people putting a plus 40 there to equal 180. No, there's no, the angles are right here. This angle and this angle are not connected. All right, so add 5, 5x equals 45, divide by 5, x equals 9. And that would be 9. That's all you need to do. See if you can identify where you made some mistakes, if you made any.